Exec team, and today we're going to be informing you of some upcoming events.
So one thing we've got planned is the Christmas shoebox appeal. We're asking if our teachers could please bring in any sort of bag to collect these donations in, which will go to refugees in Greece. If you could bring things like toiletries, colouring books, colouring pens, and hats and gloves and things like that, and no food if that's okay. The dates for this will be in the bulletin.
So we're planning a food bank as well, and we would really appreciate if you could bring in some food donations. You can bring in non-perishable foods such as rice, beans, dry pasta, and a due date is yet to be confirmed as well.
Unfortunately, due to coronavirus, we're unable to do the care home visits, which would normally happen at this time of year. So instead, we've arranged to give a small gift and card to every resident.
So on the last week of term, we're going to have our annual dress-up day. You can come in dressed in a costume, or if you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can just dress down in casual clothes. We're still going to have our competitions with every year group to see who has the best costume in the year. So that's something to look forward to on the last week of term.
And now for our quote of the week. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why they call it the present. That is by Master Oogway from Kung Fu Panda.
On behalf of all the exec team, thank you and have a good week.